I have three very special words to say to you. Honeyed Tarte Tatin. Three beautiful ingredients to start off. Butter, honey, and salt. Put this on fairly low to let it melt. A little casual stir to help it along. The honey gives a scent and a taste unlike anything else, but very conveniently, it also means you don't have to make a sugar caramel. So now it's come to a foamy bubble. It's about ready to receive the apples. I've got a packet of Ocado Brabants, peeled and quartered, and I love the sharpness against the wonderful buttery honey. The thing is, you do have to tuck them quite closely together because they shrink as they cook, and as much as possible, you don't want too many gaps. Right, so the pan of apples goes back on the heat. So I can just let the honey and butter bubble away around and creeping up over the apples. Do not worry for one instant about the fact that they go a bit brown where I've taken the core out. I mean, it's going to be covered with puff pastry. Oh, that is so wonderful. So it's a lot darker now. I want it to start sticking to the spoon, but in order to test that, I'm going to have to take it off the heat. Now, this is sat for a little while, and you can see how much thicker this syrupy glaze is. So now that the apples are ready and the pan is no longer so hot, so I won't burn myself as I top it, this is some piquant puff pastry, which is the perfect one to use as it's already round. You need do nothing except drape it over the top. Very clever, the French. I favour a slightly ramshackle approach to the edges. Just curl them over and then tuck them in, a bit like tucking in a sheet. I've heated the oven to 220 centigrade, but the minute I get this in, I'm turning it down to 200. It is real sunshine on the plate. Now, my final touch, a few little sprigs and leaves of fresh thyme. A scoop of vanilla ice cream says it all. Beautiful.